Applying to German universities is a simple yet long process.
IELTS, APS, university shortlisting applications, SOPs, LORs.
In all this chaos, it's natural to make mistakes. There are some students who only apply to one university and think that nothing could go wrong. Applying to one university is very risky and you don't want to do that if you have low or even average scores. A lot of students apply to German universities and they might have better scores than you. And even if you have good scores, there is a possibility of getting a rejection and you will waste 6 months of your life for nothing. So apply to at least 4 to 6 universities or even more depending on what you want to study so that you have a good enough chance of getting into an university. अब मैंने 4 बोला तो सिर्फ 4 यूनिवर्सिटीज में अप्लाई मत करना, apply to as many as you can. Many students think that
Winter semester deadline is 15 July. I have a lot of time.
You don't. You might realize too late that some university might need some extra documents, or you have to prepare for GRE, or you have to learn German for your requirements. Possibilities are endless. Requirements like learning German take time and you can't just do it in 2 days. But if you're learning it with Faster German, you can learn A1 in just 14 days. Faster German is a DIY self-paced course and it is built with a native German speaker, and you also get lifetime access to the entire course. You also get Goethe exam prep for each level, so you're equipped with all the knowledge you need before the exam. You can learn it from anywhere and we have courses from A1 to B2. If you want to know more, I have linked the courses in the description, you can check it out. On the other hand, what I mean about planning is that you need a timeline and a strategy so that you have all the things you need in front of you and you don't scratch your head the last minute. Now, one of the big reasons students don't research well or don't start preparing early is that they don't have any resources to work with. You either search some random things on Google, follow some random list on some website, and at the end you realize, oh shit, all the things I mentioned up there, from university shortlisting to your APS certificate to your visa, everything is very important, and that's why we have free resources just to help you out. In the description you will find everything from document checklist to packing checklist to even a PDF which has all the requirements you need for learning German. As for the timeline, if you want to study in the winter semester of 2025, start researching about your courses and your universities now so that you know what exams you have to give, what are the deadlines, and what are the documents you have to prepare for. Now there are two types of people here. One are shady consultants and one are false idols. Shady consultants are those who exploit you for lakhs of fees and put you into bad universities just because they want to earn some extra money. I'm not saying all the consultants out there are bad, but these shady people only look for desperate students and money. False idols are those seniors or students who have gone to Germany. They are not having a good time because they are not able to manage their time or their studies, and they tell you that this university is bad and there is no fault in them. Of course, reviews and experiences matter, but you shouldn't jump to conclusions from only one person's perspective. Reach out to alumni through LinkedIn or even professors at the university and get a more holistic approach. In the end, it always comes down to you, and you want to make that decision and you don't want anyone else to make that call for you. If you need any help, you can write us an email, text us on Instagram, or join our Discord server and we'll help you with the best of our ability. And of course, if you're moving to Germany this year, all the best. If you want, a packing checklist is right below for you. And if you're just starting out and don't know anything about Germany, there are a lot of free resources below which will help you out.